Morning guys, Sunday today, as always, a weather report, the sun's breaking through, cool. That's me, Aprilia battery on charge, that's the power pack on charge. Right, these engine cases are from that seized FZR 1000 engine that I took to bits. You can see there where obviously I got a pry bar in, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get that machined off a cock air. These are the barrels off that seized engine. You can see how bad they were. I'm still going to get them blasted because they'll still come in for something. But I've found another set of barrels of a Thunderace. This Thunderace head, I can't get it off, was sent to me by Ryan from Bikes of Rye. So you just bear with us. Come on. So, if you watch his videos, he was having trouble getting that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this head blasted. There's no valves in it, like that. It's completely empty. Get that blasted and get it repaired. This cam carrier is off an old FZR 1000 head that I've got. So this here, so let me put this back on. So that lump there, I'm going to turn that into me 180 brake horsepower monster. Let me turn it around a minute. So that is going to be the basis for my race engine that I'm going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do, like I say, is get them all blasted. I did send these off and get them blasted, and I tried painting them with that stove paint, and I don't really like it, so I'm going to get them blasted again. And then we're going to start from there. So that's that. So let me move that over there. This is the crank out of that seized engine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that to a specialist crank place, get them to check it for trueness, and then hopefully balance it. As to whether I'll get it lightened or not, I don't know yet, but we'll see. And then that red tub down there, that's just full of Thunderace bits. So I've got everything I need to rebuild the engine. I've only, obviously these stud bolts, these head bolts, these bolts here, I've just wound it in finger tight just for a couple of threads. So that's the reason why that's stuck up there. It's only so that instead of me carrying 10 different parts to the shop, I can just carry this one lump, if you know what I mean. So that's all that is for, basically. The other thing as well is I've been spending on AliExpress, and I'll show you. So give me, in fact, fuck it, I'll do it now. So as you can see, it's a bit bent, but it'll straighten. Let me just get this out. So I've got an end can. It's one of them oval fucking ones with a removable baffle. So So obviously for an MOT that'll go in. Without the MOT it'll come out. I got it in stainless steel. That's just the blue stuff is just to protect the stainless. And then they also send you this. To stick on it as well. Hey, what a good do, eh? So they also send you that to stick on it as well. Can't be bad, eh? A Yoshimura fucking thinger. And so that can, delivered from China, believe it or not, right, the can and delivery, so was 20 quid. Can't go fucking wrong, can you? 20 quid for a bloody end can like that. Because as you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for my race engine, I'm going to fabricate my own exhaust system. So what I'm going to do from AliExpress is buy all the exhaust bends and pipes and stuff. But first of all, obviously I have to get it. I'm gonna go down the route of getting it rebored. I'm definitely going to put a 1040 kit in it. So I'll get on my computer once I've rebored it. Get on my computer and once I've done the gas flowing and stuff like that and whatever. Then I'll work out the size of the exhaust to get as to the mid-range. I want it tuned to be the mid-range. It's going to be a 4x 2x 1 exhaust. So that's that so far. So yeah, it's going to come on nice and slow. Like I say, this is going to be quite a long-term project. It's going to be, you know, probably over 12 months or something like that, because I'm 100% going to do this. I'm going to be so meticulous. I'm going to get everything measured, everything weighed, everything balanced, everything paired up, stuff like that, and just get it. I've put some oil on there, but just to get everything sorted. So that's it, guys. So I think the next video will be of me down at the unit, starting that millie up, and stuff like that. So I shall see you. Oh, in fact, hang on. So again, I've been buying shit from AliExpress. So this got delivered like that, damaged, but I don't care, because, and what this is you can't see it, but it's a valve seat, sort of like reamer, if you know what I mean, a hand thing. If I just get I'll get this one off. Right, I hope you can see this, because I can't fucking see what I'm doing here. So it's just a hand tool, that's all, to do the valve seats. So let me show you on this head, because I've got no valves on this. So basically all you do, I gather this is all you do. 2 seconds. This fucking camera keeps falling down. Is obviously you set the tool up, put it down the valve stem, and that then just goes on and just sort of like fucking does something. I'll have to have a read up about that. But again, AliExpress, I think that was about a tenner, something like that. I can't remember. I ain't got a fucking clue what that says. But anyway, so coolio. Right, I shall leave you to it, because I'm gonna go down and get my hair cut now. And whatever. So anyway, right guys, see you later. So this is going to be, like I say, my race engine. Can't wait. But as I say, I'm going to take my time, nice and slowly. I bought a few tuning books. I'll show you what those are in a minute. Well, later on. And whatever. Bye.